Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this effect that you see on the screen right now. I have a still on a timeline. I'm going to leave it at 5 seconds and go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up on the screen. You'll have to have Studio to do this one or mask the person out manually. You do need a magic mask. So with the media selected, shift space and magic mask. We're just going to get a still off of this so we don't have to track it. And I am going to clean the edges up with the matte and the erode dilate. One way expands, the other way contracts. And then right click on the viewer, save image. I went right to my folder. I made it ahead of time and name it transparent and save as type. Make sure you select PNG. Hit save. Now delete the magic mask and add a paint node. Select the clone tool. Select your brush size. This here is pretty simple, so I can go with a large brush. Hold the Alt key down on the keyboard. Click in the area where you want to start cloning from. Let the Alt key go. Okay, that looks good. Right click on the viewer again. Save image. And give it a name again. Make sure you change the save as type. Either JPEG or PNG. And hit save. Now we can delete that. And navigate to your folder. With the two we just made, not the original. Bring it down to the timeline and go to Fusion. Get the transparent picture, merge it into the media 1, and select the media in 2, shift space, and duplicate. And with it selected, change the copies to 8. We want to use the center X, animate it. So right click on the center, modify with, vector result. Then go to the modifier. You want to use the distance. Right click on distance, modify with, anim curves. You'll see by default it's going the wrong way. Select invert, and on the curve, go to easing and expo, or whatever you'd like. I like expo and expo. Change the scale to 2.0 and the time scale to 2.0. We'll give it a play. That's a pretty cool effect as is, but we'll go a little farther with it. Select the merge. Right click on the center. Connect to, vector on duplicate, center position. And if you want to add some blur to it, go to settings, motion blur. I'm going to set mine on 3. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.